Hey guys, welcome to Dan Can. Have you ever been on a trip or getting ready for a trip and realized that you had some lights that were out on your car? Well, that happened to me, and I'm going to show you how to fix it really fast.
If Dan can, you can too.
We have a 2010 Honda Odyssey and we're packing up for a trip, and I realized my back light right here was burned out. I couldn't turn it on, it was burned out completely. So this is a quick, easy fix, and all you gotta do is change out the bulb, and it's really easy. You need a 3175. Doesn't matter whether it's a DE or a long life, but you need a 3175. The bulb looks like this. Pick that up from the store. All you need is a butter knife for a tool, and you come underneath here between the lens and the outside edge. Start here on the back side, just kind of stick that knife right in between there and kind of just prop out the lens. Real simple and easy. Then the bulb is right here, and I've actually already pulled it out. So I'm going to put in the new bulb, and I'm just going to push it straight in. And look, it's already working. Ta-da! And to put the lens back on, start from that side. There are some little clips right there at the top. So just kind of push that in from there and push it in. And voila, we have a working light. That's another quick tip for doing it for Dan Can. Thanks for watching. Please remember to watch, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks. Now that Dan can, you can too.